Hi, welcome to Copenhagen. Thanks for dropping in. Hope everybody is doing well. Today I am having a look at vacuum pen multiplacers from Picmondoo. Before I look at the multiplacers, I thought it might be a good idea to explain what a vacuum pen or e-pen is. You may have heard of them, but maybe you're not sure what they are. So a vacuum pen or e-pen is a pen that sucks up the drills rather than using wax or putty or glue dots or anything like that. So it means you don't have any residue between your drills because it just sucks them up. So this is the Picmondoo. I have reviewed quite a few vacuum pens. This seems to be the one that most people recommend. And when I saw that Picmondoo had released multiplacers, I thought, okay, I have to give them a try. So if you have the Picmondoo or you get the Picmondoo, it'll come with a single placer. It looks like a standard diamond painting pen, but there is a hose connected to the back. It goes around and it comes in here. So there is a motor in here, and when you switch it on, the pump sucks air through the tip of the pen. And then you can pick up drills using that suction. This little green thing is a filter just to stop any dust or tiny particles of the drills going up through the tube, getting into the motor and causing it to malfunction. So that just catches anything before it goes into the pump. I have done a full review of the Picmondoo. I will put a link in the description for anybody who is interested in actually seeing the review. But today I want to concentrate on the multiplacers. So as I said, it comes with the single tip, just the standard diamond painting single tip. And I saw recently they were advertising multiplacers. So this is what arrived, just a little box. So I'll open up and get the scissors in. And we'll see what we get inside. Nothing much. So we have a little resealable bag, and we have two multiplacers. So we'll take them out. So we have a two placer, so you can pick up two drills at one time, and we have a three placer, so this should pick up three drills at a time. So all we do is wiggle the tip and it comes out. So then now we've got 1, 2, 3 placers, and I'll try the two placer I think first. So it's just a matter of pushing it in. It doesn't screw in, just push it, and we'll see how it goes. So I've got a diamond painting under here. I've actually just opened a new section, so I'll start working on that, and I'll try the multiplacer and we'll see how it goes. Okay, so we are ready to give this a try, but I have to confess I have never used a multiplacer, not even a standard multiplacer. I always single place, usually I use tweezers, so we'll see how this goes for a complete novice. So I have the two placer in the pen. All I have to do is get some drills lined up, so I'll just give the tray a little shake and then give it a little tap so the drills go down to the bottom, and then it should make it easier to pick them up. I think that will probably be good enough. I'm not expecting to make this a long video. So we have some drills lined up, and we need to switch on the Picmondoo. So it's on. So now we have a vacuum in the tip of the pen. As you can see, I've started placing. I had just started this section and I was using tweezers. So this is normally how I would work. I do the sort of checkerboard pattern even in a straight line. So all I should do is go for 2 drills, pick them up, which it did. I need to turn the pen, obviously, and then place 2 drills. I placed 1. That's probably because I wasn't pointing straight down, so we'll give it another try. And we'll try putting them right next to it. See if I can adjust them. I can. I think that's not too bad actually. So we'll try again. I'm pretty sure this will be a thing that the more you do it, the better you get at it. Just like using tweezers. So it is working, definitely. Just kind of weird having 2 pen tips at the same time. So try and make sure that you point both down at the same time so they both stick. I'll do one more, I think. But you can see it's working. I'm not using any wax, any putty, I don't have any residue. Keeps the diamond paint nice and clean. Easy enough to adjust the drills. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take out the 2 placer and we'll give the 3 placer a bit of a try. So 2 placer out, 3 placer in, and then we'll get 3 drills lined up, pick them up and put them down. So you can just use 1 tip if you want to adjust the drills slightly like you would normally do. Oh, I've only got 2 spaces there, I wasn't looking. So I'll find another space where I have 3. Actually what I did there was I put it at an angle and then just rolled it over. I don't know if that's how I would end up doing it. I'm sure with a bit of practice, definitely faster than single placing. I was going to try some up and down the way, but I don't actually have. I do up here. We do them that way as well. Oops. As I said, I'm not used to, as in I have never multiplaced ever. So even with a normal multiplacer, I think I would be a bit off. You could actually just use the 3 placer and pick up 2. So then I'm wondering, why do you need a 3? Sorry, why do you need a 2? Try another one. Oops. So there's another 3. Try it this way. It works absolutely fine. The other thing is, you could just, if you're filling in gaps like here, you could just use 1 of the 3. You don't have to use all of them at the same time. And then it just works like a standard pen. And you can still move the drills just to get them exactly where you want them. So you could use the 3 placer as a 1, 2 or a 3. I suppose it just depends what you're comfortable with. But it's working fine. It hasn't dropped any drills. No problems at all. And the big thing is we don't have any wax residue. The other thing is it'll work with AB drills. Because it doesn't use wax, AB drills are notorious for pulling wax out of the pen tip. So because we don't have wax, it'll suck up the AB drills just like it will any other drill. So yep, definitely works. No issues with it at all. And because it is a standard tip, it feels familiar. The nylon tip with the brass insert, exactly the same as the tips on the pens that you get with most kits. So yeah, works absolutely fine. No problems with it at all. So that was multiplacers for the Picmondoo vacuum pen, or e-painter pen, whichever you prefer. Worked absolutely fine, no problems with it at all. As I said, I have never multiplaced before, so I'm sure just a little bit of practice I will get quicker at it. But I noticed that even if you hold the pen slightly at an angle, you can just roll it over to put the drills down where you want. The three placer will pick up 1, 2 or 3, works absolutely fine with all of them. Feels natural because the tip is exactly the same as a standard diamond painting pen, which probably everybody is used to. So it doesn't feel any different. It doesn't work any different. You can still push the drills around, no problems at all. So the big advantage, or two big advantages, the first one is you don't have to use any wax or putty, so you don't get any residue in between your drills that you have to pick out. And the other thing is it will work with AB drills. The ABs don't have any putty or wax to pull out of the pen, so you can happily place ABs without any problems. So yeah, worked absolutely fine. Does what it says. Nothing to complain about at all. So if you enjoyed the video and you would like to see more unboxings, unbaggings, comparisons, accessories, basically anything to do with diamond painting, please remember to subscribe and hit the notification button. If you do that, you will get a little message when a new video comes up. I have a stack of stuff to record, just been struggling to find the time recently, but now I'm trying to get back on track, so you can expect quite a few new videos to appear. I think I have reviewed 11 different vacuum pens, if I remember right, and I have one more to review. So if you go to the end of the video, you can click on the box where you can see all of the pens that I've reviewed and see what you think of them. The Picmondoo definitely seems to be the one that people talk about the most. So yeah, it worked absolutely fine. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching, and in the meantime, take care, be safe, and wash your hands.